Speaking before Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad and Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin, Dato Sri Najib Tun Razak had sent a strong message that he is still the boss. Midway into his opening address at the Umno General Assembly, Najib had said that this year's assembly was different as compared to previous years, as there are many controversies. Called for him to step down because of controversies revolving around the 1MDB issue as well as the political donations given to him.
Perhimpunan kali ini berbeza dan tidak sama sekali dengan yang lalu. Dengan kata lain, ekspektasi terhadap perhimpunan ini luar biasa. Kerana ternyata suasana dan kejadian-kejadian yang kita lalui sejak setahun yang lalu penuh liku-liku dan cabaran yang melintang. Berpijak di bumi yang nyata ini saya tahu, daripada 191 bahagian, tidak semuanya seiring pandangan. Apatah lagi pada perhimpunan kali ini setelah episod-episod tidak terduga telah terjadi. Pastinya ada sesetengah yang datang dengan segala bentuk perasaan dan rasa setelah hal-hal yang mungkin terbuku di dada. Walau bagaimanapun, alhamdulillah, saya yakin dan percaya melihat akan rentak dan semangat yang ditampilkan selama beberapa hari ini, majoriti besar masih teguh berikat dengan kepimpinan saya.
He was, however, pleased to see the support that he had received over the last 4 days from the delegates. Previously, Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad and Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin had called for Najib to step down because of the controversies revolving around 1MDB and the 2.6 billion political donation. Najib, however, remained steadfast, claiming that he was doing everything for the party and the people. During his speech, he had also said that despite all the challenges hurled at him, he will not give up.